Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Budi Wijaya, NIM 610342008 from PGSD Study Program, Faculty of Sports Science. Here I will present about the sport of futsal. Let's go. The purpose of the presentation that I will show is for now. More clearly about that futsal sport will be discussed in the following text structure. 1. Preliminary. Next, futsal history. Next, futsal infrastructure and facilities. Next, player equipment. Next, match regulation. 1. Preliminary. Futsal is a ball game played by two teams, each consisting of 5 people. The goal is to get the ball into the opponent goal by manipulating the ball with your feet. Apart from the 5 main players, each team is also allowed to have a reserve player. Unlike other indoor soccer games, the futsal field is bordered by lines, not net or board. Next, futsal history. Futsal was created in Montevideo, Uruguay in 1903 by Juan Carlos Ceriani. The uniqueness of futsal has received attention throughout South America, especially in Brazil. The skill developed in this game can be seen in the world-famous style that Brazilian players display outdoor on an ordinary size pitch. Pelé, the famous Brazilian star, for example, developed his talent in futsal. Well, Brazil continues to be the center of world futsal. The game is now played under the patronage of the Federación Internacional de Football Association around the world, from Europe to Central America and North America, as well as Africa, Asia, and Oceania. The first international match were held in 1965. Paraguay won the title. First South American Cup. The next 6 contests for the South American Cup were held until 1979, and all of the championships were swept away by Brazil. Brazil continued its dominance by winning the first Pan American Cup in 1980 and winning it again the next in 1984. The first futsal world championship was held with the help of FIFUSA before its member joined FIFA in 1989 in Sao Paulo, Brazil. 1982, and with Brazil in first place. Brazil repeated its victory at the second World Championship in 1985 in Spain, but suffered defeat to Paraguay in the third World Championship in 1980 in Australia. The first international futsal match was held in the US in December 1905 at Sonoma State University in Rohnert Park, California. Futsal, the rule of the game. Next, infrastructure and facilities. 1. Futsal court. Futsal field is rectangular with the following size: length 25242 meter, width 15 to 25 meter. Standard size for international futsal competition: length 38242 meter, width 16 to 12 meter. Next, explanation. 1. The first penalty point is drawn 6 meter from the midpoint between the two goal posts at the same distance. Next, 2. The first penalty point is drawn on the court 10 meter from the midpoint between the two goal posts at the same distance. Next, 3. Corner area, a quarter circle with a radius of 25 cm is drawn in the court from each angle. Next, 4. The length of the goal is 3 meters. The height of the goal is 2 meters. The width of the bottom goal, the width of the top goal is 25 cm. Next, ball. Ball round shape, made of leather or other material, minimum diameter of 6 cm and maximum 4 cm. The weight of the ball when the match starts is a minimum of 400 grams and a maximum of 440 grams. The pressure is equal to 0,4 to 0,6 atmosphere gram or centimeter. Next, the number of players in each match is played by two teams, each team consisting of 5 players, one of which is the goalkeeper. The procedure for substituting players for substitution can be done at any time during the match by following the official competition rules issued by FIFA, confederation or association. The number of substitutes is a maximum of 7 players. The number of substitution during the match is not limited. A player who has been substituted can re-enter the field to replace another player. Player equipment. 1. Futsal goalkeeper and player uniform. It is numbered between 1 and 15 and must appear on the back of the costume. The color of the number shall be different and more in contrast to the color of the dress. 2. Sock and shin guard. Overall foot guard must be covered by sock made of suitable material, rubber, plastic or similar material. Must provide a sufficient level of protection. 3. Futsal shoes. Next, match regulation. 1. In the shootout, there are 5 kickers. Previously, only 3 kicks. 2. The game ends when the 4th referee timekeeper emits a sound signal instead of the referee whistle. Next, second penalty. Penalty point 12 meters after accumulated 6 fouls will be awarded even though time has elapsed. Time runs off if the ball stops rolling or a goal occurs after kicking the second penalty without the touch of other player except the goalkeeper who is keeping the goal. Next, in kicking a kick-off, there is no need to kick over the center line to start the match. Players can start the game via kick-off in any direction. Goals can also be scored via kick-off. Next, the definition of handball is adapted from football. In the latest regulation, if the ball touches a part of the body itself or another player and then accidentally touches a hand that is in a natural position, this does not count as a foul. Next, the number of players on the shootout, including reserve, must be the same as both teams. Next, 7. Direct red card for player on or off the field who commit a foul on opposing player or a situation that has a chance to score in an area. Next, a player who violates the chance to score in the penalty area may be shown a yellow card if there is an attempt to play the ball after committing a foul. Next, indirect free kick for an off-court foul. Next, in penalty kick, the goalkeeper must be in a position to touch the goal line, even if it is only 1 foot touching the line. Next, duration of play normal 2 times 20 minutes rest time, 10 minutes length of extra time, 2 times 10 minutes if the result is still level after 2 times 20 minutes of normal time. There will be a shot out maximum 3 goals. If the total goal of both teams draw when extra time is overtime, out 1 per team per half, not in added time, substitution time maximum 10 minutes. Next, mistakes and misdeeds. 1. The penalty for wrongdoing and misdeeds fish direct free kicks, indirect free kick, and penalty kicks. Next, 2. Yellow card and red card. A player is warned and saw a yellow card if they commit the following violation: guilty for committing unsportsmanlike action, so discriminate by saying bad word or action, still violate the rules of the games, slow down or stall for time at the time restarting the game, do not follow orders to maintain the specific distance when a corner kick, inward kick, free kick or goal kick is taken, entering or returning to the field without the referee permission or violating the substitution procedure, deliberately leaving the field without permission from the referee. Next, 3. Player play very rocks. The player perform harsh action. Red card. A player or substitute player is issued showing a red card if the he or she commit one of the following offense. Player play very rudely. The player commits a violent action easy on an opponent or other person prevent on opponent from scoring a goal or any chance to score the ball in a way that is not permitted under the rules. This does not apply to the goalkeeper within his own penalty area. The opposing player who has the opportunity to score a goal by moving forward toward the player goal, by committing an offense which is punishable by a free kick or penalty kick, issuing insulting word or word of abuse, receiving a second warning yellow card in the same match. Next, conclusion. Futsal is a sport that has developed rapidly. Futsal is in great demand by all people, both children, adolescents to adults, both men and women. This can be seen from daily life, where on vacation or leisure time, people frequent filling time by playing futsal. Futsal, which has been popular for this only requires simple equipment and can invite pleasure in play it. Futsal can be played indoor or outdoor at a bigger place. This means that it is smaller than the size of the field soccer. Next, closure. Thank you for your attention. Hope it is useful, and if there are errors in the content or word, I apologize. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.